and welcome back to my channel. If we haven't met before, my name is Shiv. Hello, if you're coming back then welcome. In today's video I have this look for you right here, which is a Valentine's inspired makeup tutorial, but you could wear it any other day of the year, of course. I wanted to do something a little bit more like low-key rather than like a smoky eye. I feel like because I've been on YouTube for so long doing makeup tutorials, I don't want all of my makeup tutorials that are like themed from like Valentine's Day and Christmas to all be the same. So hopefully I haven't done something like this before. Fingers crossed. I will link my other Valentine's videos down below. Definitely go ahead and check those out if you do want some further like makeup inspo or just want to do a pink and red themed makeup look really. So if you would like to see how I got this makeup look, then please carry on watching. Before you do, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It means the absolute world. And let's just carry on with the video. So I've already done my brows just to save some time. I use this Bella Pierre brow pencil. I don't know why I'm trying to read it because all the text has scratched off, but this is in the shade Chestnut, I believe. And I have just filled in my brows just to save a little bit of time. The first product I'm taking is the Nude by Nature Perfecting Primer, and I'm actually going to be doing my face first in this video because the look on the eyes is actually going to be quite simple. So I'm just going to go ahead and prime the skin using this primer from Nude by Nature. It's really moisturising and hydrating. I'm just going to massage it into my skin. Then we're going straight on to foundation. I'm taking the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Warm Sun. This is quite dark, but I feel like I can make it work. I know I never match my foundation properly. I really like this foundation, okay, and this is like my fake tan shade when it's like at its like darkest, and I just really wanted to use it, so we're gonna make it work as per usual. I'm taking it on my Spicy Choco Tear Blend sponge, still this little bit actually. So I'm just gonna take it on my Spicy Choco sponge and dab it into the skin for a nice full coverage. If you wanted to, you could of course go in with a lighter coverage and actually match your foundation to your neck. Moving on to cream contour, I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Tan Tool in the shade Light and just use this to contour my face. I'm going to take it on this brush from Real Techniques, which is like a short, kind of dense brush. I'm going to use it to apply it and then buff it out as much as I can. Just loading up the brush, and then I'm going to start by going under my cheeks. Just kind of buffing that in as I go. For concealer, I'm going to take the Wonder 2 Lasting Foundation Concealer in the shade 20 Medium. I'm going to use this little synthetic brush to apply it, just kind of on my chin where that humongous volcano is, my forehead, under my eyes, nose, the usual. And then I'm going to blend that out with the same sponge, just in dabbing motions. And you've got to spot that, do you know what I mean? There's only so much you can actually do. Just kind of embrace it, you know, it's part of me now. I may name it. Then I'm going to start with the powders. So I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Superstay powder in the shade Ivory, and I'm just going to use this to set my whole face and just tap it in very lightly just to the whole face. Now I'm going to take a new product. This is the W7 Hollywood Bronze and Glow. It's essentially a copy of the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow, so I'm going to try it out. I'm going to use the bronzer side just as like a normal bronzer. I'm not going to contour or anything like that. And I'm just going to take my Sigma F25 tapered face brush and then just go into the bronzer side. Hopefully this looks nice and doesn't ruin the whole thing. Actually really nice. For blush, I'm going to take the Bella Pierre blushing palette, and I am going to take the middle shade, which is called Desert Rose, which is right here, and it's like that really nice sort of bubblegum pink, kind of matches my, oh, it does match my nails. So I'm going to take that and pop that onto my cheeks. Just going to tap that onto my cheeks. You know, it's Valentine's Day. I do not mind if my blush is a little bit much, you know. step, we're going to bake a little bit under the eye just to protect the under eye from any fallout. This is the Nude by Nature Translucent Loose Finishing Powder, and I'm going to pop a little bit of this just underneath the eye just to protect from any fallout. So I'm just going to take some of that powder, tap off the excess because I don't want to like bake or anything like that too crazy. So the star of the show is this Morphe palette, which I love. This is called the 39S. Such a gem palette, and I just figured this is the perfect palette for Valentine's Day. Oh my goodness. So the first shade that I'm going to take is this one right here, this kind of like bubblegum pink shade called Pink Prize. And I'm just going to take it on a Morphe M513 brush, and then what I'm going to do is just go through the crease and then we're going to wing it out just towards the tail of the brow. So I'm just starting to lay that down into the crease. The eyeshadow base is just the kind of like concealer and everything that we put onto the lid. That's set, nothing crazy. And just putting that out at the tail. The next shade that I'm going to take is called Very Good, which is this one right here, and I'm going to take it on a MAC 217 and just pop it further into the crease and pulling it outwards. Sorry if you can hear the wind in the background. Storm Sierra is going a little bit crazy right now. I'm really kind of buffing it in there so it's nice and blended. Putting that out. Now I'm just going to switch back to that lighter pink shade and just go over the top of this. I literally just have the biggest sneeze ever. And isn't that the worst thing when you're doing your makeup and you just feel a sneeze coming on, then your eyes get all watery? Not good. Okay, I'm now going to cut the crease using the P. Louise base in room number 2. I'm going to go straight along here, and then I'm actually going to wing it out a little bit up here because I want that bit to be really nice and sharp just underneath the tail of this like crease situation. You'll see what I'm about to do. It's kind of difficult to explain. And I am going to take it on a MAC 242 brush just because this is the one the closest that I have to hand. So yeah, I'm just going to cut the crease, putting it all the way underneath and then winging it up. For the lid, I'm actually going to take the shade right here, which is called Perfection, which is a shimmery kind of like champagne colour, and I'm going to pop it all over where you put that kind of concealer base. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take that shade Very Good and just run it on a really small pencil brush. Making sure I tap off the excess, and I'm just going to run that under the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take the lighter pink shade and just use this to smudge it out. Now I can just quickly knock off any powder that I still have left under my eyes. I'm actually going to do something a little bit crazy and pop a pink through the waterline. This could make me look like I have pink eye, or it could look really pretty. It could go one or two ways. So this is from Wonder 2. It's a Superstay liner. I don't actually know what shade it is, but I will have it linked below and on the screen and everything like that. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes. Put on a generous coat of mascara. This is the Primark Wonderlash mascara. My voice went really weird just then. And then for lashes, I'm going to take these from Peaches and Cream. They are number 33. I need to get some more lashes. I'm running out of nice like new ones. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these on and I'll be right back. Now we're going to move on to the lips. So I'm going to start by lining them with this lip liner from Revlon. This is in the shade Pink Rose. And then for lipstick, I'm going to take the Bella Pierre Hot Head Mineral Lipstick. Super bright. Now I'm just going to set my face using the Revolution Calming Makeup Fixing Spray. Then I'm going to take the W7 Bronze and Glow palette and just add some highlights I kind of forgot. And I'm just going to pop a little bit of this shade on my cheekbones. It's not going to be like a blinding highlight or anything like that. I just want to add a little bit of a glow. And this is the finished makeup look. I really hope you like it. I feel like it's super easy to recreate, and you can definitely like tone it down if you wanted to, or even just up the amp if you wanted to as well. So you could add some glitter or just take away the lashes, that kind of thing. Every kind of look that I do here on my channel you can always customise however you want. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It means the absolute world. I hope you have a fantastic Valentine's Day no matter what you are doing. If you're having more of a me day, if you're having a Galentine's Day, if you are going out for a meal with your significant other, or doing whatever you like to do, I hope you have an amazing day, and I shall see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye! This is the Nude by Nature. My iPhone storage is full. I have 256 gigs on this phone. Could you imagine? For the lid, I'm actually... Ooh, and this is the finished... Hi guys.